Everybody online is screaming the same thing right now: AI is taking jobs. Humans are becoming obsolete. Automation is replacing employees. But almost nobody is talking about what is actually happening inside real businesses. And after working with companies managing millions of dollars in operational budgets, I can tell you something most people completely misunderstand: AI is not replacing great employees. It is replacing repetitive chaos. That's the real revolution. Right now, businesses everywhere are drowning in inefficiency: endless meetings, repetitive emails, manual reporting, spreadsheet overload, customer support bottlenecks, scheduling confusion, slow approvals, data entry nightmares, operational burnout. And for years, companies hired more people just to manage broken systems. Now AI is changing that. But here's where things get dangerous. Some executives believed AI could instantly replace entire departments. That failed fast. Because AI still lacks judgment, emotional intelligence, leadership, accountability, and real-world business context. What AI actually does incredibly well is eliminate repetitive operational friction. And the businesses understanding this right now are about to dominate the next decade. The internet loves fear. Fear gets clicks. Fear gets engagement. Fear gets headlines. But most AI replaces jobs conversations ignore something critical. Most jobs contain hundreds of repetitive micro-tasks. And those tasks are what AI is automating first. Not human creativity. Not strategic thinking. Not leadership. Not emotional intelligence. AI writes summaries. Humans make decisions. AI organizes information. Humans create vision. AI processes patterns. Humans build trust. That distinction changes everything. The companies winning with AI are not deleting humans from the equation. They are upgrading human productivity. Let's talk about reality. Most businesses are operationally messy. And employees know it. Think about the average workday: an employee wakes up to 120 unread emails. They jump between Slack, Teams, Zoom, Excel, CRMs, project boards, text messages, and customer tickets. They attend meetings about meetings. They rewrite the same reports every week. They chase approvals. They update spreadsheets manually. They answer repetitive customer questions. They search for documents buried in cloud folders. That is not productivity. That is survival mode. Businesses have normalized chaos for decades. AI is exposing how broken many workflows actually are. The smartest companies are not using AI to remove humans. They are using AI to remove friction. That means AI customer support routing, automated invoicing, smart scheduling, AI generated reports, workflow automation, AI meeting summaries, CRM follow-ups, predictive analytics, lead qualification, AI search systems. This is where AI becomes transformational. Not because it replaces people, but because it gives employees superpowers. Here's the truth nobody wants to say out loud: AI literate employees are becoming more valuable than ever. Because businesses no longer want workers who only execute repetitive tasks. They want problem solvers, decision makers, strategic thinkers, people who understand systems, people who can combine AI tools with human expertise. That is the future workforce. The employee who learns AI becomes 10x faster. The employee resisting AI risks becoming operationally outdated. This is where things get interesting. Small businesses can move faster than giant corporations. A local plumber can now automate booking. A law office can automate intake forms. A coffee shop can predict busy hours with AI forecasting. A recruiter can screen candidates automatically. A contractor can generate quotes instantly. A medical practice can automate appointment reminders. This is not science fiction anymore. It's happening right now. And small businesses adopting AI early are gaining massive competitive advantages. Many companies made a huge mistake during early AI adoption. They believed AI could fully replace teams. But here's what happened: customer experiences got worse. Errors increased. Employees disengaged. Operations became unstable. Why? Because AI still needs oversight. It still needs context. It still needs human accountability. The businesses succeeding with AI are the ones blending human intelligence with machine efficiency. Not removing humans completely. The future workplace will look completely different. Not because humans disappear, but because repetitive operational work disappears. Think about it. In the past, employees manually built reports, employees manually tracked projects, employees manually routed information. In the future, AI handles repetitive processing, humans focus on outcomes, teams focus on innovation. This shift is massive. And it's happening faster than most people realize. Some industries are already transforming aggressively: banking AI fraud detection, automated compliance, smart customer service, healthcare AI intake systems, medical transcription, predictive scheduling, construction AI project tracking, quote generation, scheduling automation, marketing AI content generation, customer analytics, campaign optimization, logistics AI routing, inventory forecasting, delivery optimization, recruiting AI resume screening, candidate ranking, interview automation. Every industry is being reshaped. But humans are still at the center. Section 9, the real threat is not AI, the real threat is operational stagnation. Companies refusing to modernize will lose. Employees refusing to adapt will struggle. Businesses buried in manual processes will become slower and more expensive. AI is not the threat. Inefficiency is the threat. Chaos is the threat. Operational waste is the threat. AI is simply exposing it. Here's what many executives ignore: employees are not just afraid of AI. They are afraid of leadership making bad AI decisions. That fear is real. When businesses implement AI poorly, morale drops, trust disappears, confusion spreads, employees disengage. But when businesses implement AI correctly, burnout decreases, productivity increases, employees feel empowered, customers get better experiences. Leadership matters more than the technology itself. The new career advantage is adaptability. The future belongs to professionals who know how to use AI tools effectively, think strategically, solve problems creatively, communicate clearly, lead people, build relationships, manage systems. Those skills are becoming even more valuable in the AI era. Because AI still cannot replace human trust. Businesses are quietly shifting from hire more people to handle chaos to use AI to eliminate unnecessary chaos. That changes hiring. That changes operations. That changes management. That changes customer expectations. And the companies adapting fastest are pulling ahead aggressively. Right now, companies are already using AI to reduce support ticket times, predict customer demand, automate scheduling, improve fraud detection, generate marketing content, streamline HR workflows, improve software development. Google alone highlights hundreds of real-world AI deployments across industries. This is no longer experimental technology. This is operational infrastructure. Social media amplifies extremes. Either AI will destroy humanity, or AI will solve everything. Reality is far more practical. AI is becoming a business operating layer, a productivity amplifier, a workflow accelerator. And companies using it responsibly are creating enormous advantages. So let's say this clearly: AI is not replacing employees. It is replacing repetitive chaos. It is replacing operational waste. It is replacing inefficient systems. It is replacing low-value repetition. And the employees who embrace AI will become more valuable than ever before. The future does not belong to humans alone. And it does not belong to AI alone. It belongs to humans who know how to work with AI. That is the next generation of business. That is the future of work. And the companies that understand this now will dominate the next decade. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to the Grow with Technology YouTube channel, follow us on LinkedIn, Instagram, and Facebook at Grow with Technology 704, and visit www.growwithtechnology.com for more AI business strategies, automation systems, and digital transformation insights.